Hi, I'm Sandy Wissinger from The Coven. I'm wearing the Coven shirt that I made. If you want a handmade shirt, I will sell it to you for $20. Just go to my Instagram at The Coven, at TheCovenne. This helps support the band to get together. We need to pay for rehearsal space. We record our album. We record singles, all the things that go into the expenses of being a band. So, I really appreciate everyone who has supported us in the past. Lately, the focus has been a bit more of an autobiography project, digging back into my older music. I just have so much music that I don't release a lot of new music. I just release older stuff. So this is not exactly a new song. I actually wrote it sometime in probably 2012. So yeah, it's called Good at What You Do. That is Good at What You Do. I wrote that when I was 19. It was the start of witchiness there. And I didn't play guitar at that point. I only played piano. Just enough to write my own songs. I was really inspired by Lady Gaga. She's the reason why I became a musician as a career. So yeah, On to my art